Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how to light a candle or light your house using candles, torches, all type of torches, how to create them and everything about this topic. So for this video I'm using a 1.18 version. If you have any other version it will still work for you guys. So in order to start it, let's go ahead and open our single player world. And let me show you how you can actually first create a candle in Minecraft. Now let's wait until the world opens. And basically guys, there is multiple ways to like light your place, your house. There is torches, there is pumpkins, there is also there's what you call it, I forgot about it, the redstone thing. What do we call it? The redstone lamp. There is also glowstone as well. There's like multiple ways to actually light your house, but in this video I will show you only these the most important ones, which is the candle, which is the newest and important one. So first of all, how you can actually create a candle. Grab a crafting table, put it in the ground, and go search for honey and get the honey count, and then go search for string, and just like so you put it in here, just like that, and you will be able to have candles. Of course there's other ways to make them look even better. Dye, and you can dye whatever color you want, something like that, and just by doing so you will be able to like color each type of candle you want. And yeah, a lot of different like stuff that you could do to these candles. So after you put these candles around, you can put them in so much shapes. As you can see, you can't put like different colors together, but you can put the same colors in the same row. So how you can actually light them, just get flint and steel, and voila, that's how you can actually light candles. So that's what's it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.